Hello, my dear YouTube family. Today I'm going to show you how old items can be reused and turned into something beautiful again. Stay with me until the end. Reusing materials is a practice that has gained traction in recent years as individuals and industries alike seek sustainable solutions to mitigate waste and environmental impact. This process involves taking materials that would typically be discarded and repurposing them for new uses, thus extending their life cycle and reducing the demand for new resources. The concept of reusing materials taps into a growing awareness of the need for sustainable practices, especially in light of the challenges posed by climate change and resource depletion. At its core, reusing materials is about creativity and innovation. It encourages individuals to think beyond the conventional uses of objects and materials. The practice can take many forms, from DIY home improvement projects to large-scale commercial applications. For instance, pallets, often discarded after their initial use and shipping, can be transformed into furniture, garden beds, or decorative wall art. By seeing the potential in these materials, individuals not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. One of the most significant advantages of reusing materials is the reduction of waste sent to landfills. Landfills are a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to global warming. When materials are discarded, they occupy valuable space and can take years, if not decades, to decompose. By diverting these items from landfills through reuse, we can lessen our environmental footprint. This shift in mindset, from disposability to reuse, can significantly lessen the strain on natural resources and create a more sustainable approach to consumption. Reusability is also economically beneficial. Many materials that can be reused are often considered waste. By repurposing these items, individuals and businesses can save on the costs associated with purchasing new materials. For example, construction and renovation projects can be expensive, but reusing materials like wood, metal, or fixtures can substantially reduce expenses. This not only allows for budget flexibility, but also emphasizes a more ethical approach to consumption, one that values sustainability over convenience. In addition to financial benefits, reusing materials fosters a sense of community engagement and collaboration. Many organizations and community groups focus on promoting the reuse of materials through workshops, events, and initiatives that encourage local residents to get involved. These activities can help build relationships and foster a culture of sustainability within communities. For instance, community swap events allow people to trade unwanted items, further promoting the reuse concept. Such initiatives elevate the quality of life within neighborhoods while contributing to broader sustainability goals. Creativity is also a driving force behind the reuse movement. Artists, designers, and makers often find inspiration in discarded materials, transforming them into unique creations. Reusing materials in art not only brings attention to environmental issues, but also fosters innovation. For instance, artists may use reclaimed wood to create stunning sculptures or intricate furniture pieces, celebrating the material's histories while giving them new life. This approach not only fosters artistic expression, but also showcases how beauty can emerge from what might typically be deemed waste. In the realm of fashion, reusing materials has spurred trends in sustainable clothing and accessories. Many designers are now focusing on upcycling, transforming old clothing or materials into new, fashionable pieces. This practice resonates with consumers who are increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of fast fashion. By choosing to purchase upcycled or reused items, consumers can support sustainable fashion and reduce the demand for new textiles, which often requires significant amounts of water and energy to produce. The construction industry is also recognizing the importance of reusing materials. The concept of circular economy, where waste is minimized and resources are continually repurposed, is gaining ground. Building with reclaimed materials not only adds character to new structures, but also reduces the environmental burden associated with sourcing new materials. Reclaimed bricks, metals, and woods bring a distinctive charm to contemporary architecture while telling stories of the past. Additionally, buildings designed with reusability in mind often feature flexible spaces that can be adapted for different functions, further extending the lifespan of the materials used. Incorporating reused materials into personal and professional projects can also enhance the value of those projects. In home renovations, for instance, utilizing reclaimed flooring or restored fixtures can attract potential buyers and increase property value. Such features not only tell a story but also highlight a commitment to sustainability, which is increasingly important to homebuyers today. Many individuals are willing to invest in homes that reflect their values, and showcasing reused materials is a tangible demonstration of eco-consciousness. Educational institutions are also beginning to embrace the reuse ethos. Schools can teach students about sustainability by incorporating reused materials into art and science projects. These initiatives encourage critical thinking, creativity, and an understanding of environmental stewardship from a young age. Whether it's building structures from reclaimed materials or creating art from discarded items, students learn valuable lessons about resourcefulness and the impact of waste on the environment. Reusing materials isn't without its challenges, however. One major hurdle is the perception that reused items lack quality or reliability. This stigma can deter individuals from choosing reused products in favor of new, commercially produced ones. Education and awareness campaigns can help combat these misconceptions by showcasing the quality and durability of repurposed materials. Highlighting successful reuse projects and their positive impacts can inspire others to think creatively about how they handle waste and consumption. Another challenge is the availability of materials for reuse, particularly in communities where waste management practices are not as advanced. Establishing local networks for exchanging and sharing materials can help address this issue. Initiatives like community salvage yards or online platforms for swapping items can provide sources for reusable materials, making the process more accessible and widely accepted. As our global society continues to grapple with the realities of climate change and environmental degradation, the practice of reusing materials will become increasingly important. It encourages a cultural shift towards sustainability and resourcefulness, challenging the notion of disposability that has dominated consumer behavior for decades. Whether in individual projects or larger-scale initiatives, the act of repurposing materials can lead to profound changes in how we interact with the environment and the resources it provides. In conclusion, reusing materials is a powerful practice that combines creativity, sustainability, and economic benefits. By embracing the potential of items that would otherwise be discarded, we can reduce waste, save money, and foster a culture of innovation. Whether in art, fashion, construction, or personal projects, the possibilities for reusing materials are vast and varied. As we move forward, recognizing the value in what we might see as waste is essential. This shift in perspective can lead us toward a more sustainable future, where every material is seen as a resource rather than refuse, paving a path toward a healthier planet for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, bye dear my family.